This is your wall mounting kit. Inside you will have one measuring tool, 2 drywall screws, 2 machine screws, and 4 wall hooks. You will need 1 drill bit and 1 screw. The screws are provided separately. To begin, take your screw and your measuring tool and make sure the paper is leveled. Mark on the wall where you want to drill the holes, indicated by the 2 black dots at the ends of the paper. Alternatively, you can use the frame to plan the holes by positioning it where you want, making sure it's leveled, and using the screw to mark the wall in the actual holes of the frame. Now take your drill and insert it into your screwdriver and drill a hole into the marked areas you created. Next, take your drywall screw and insert it into the hole. Then gently hammer down the drywall screw. Then take your frame and while holding it down, screw it in with a screwdriver, but do not screw it in all the way yet. While your screw is still loose, make sure to level off the second hole of the frame with the mark you created earlier. Then drill your second hole. Place your second drywall screw into the hole and gently hammer it into the wall as well. Shift up the frame to align the holes and place the screw inside. You may fully screw it in until it is completely tight. Go back and tighten the first screw. Once the frame is securely mounted on the wall, place the grow trays into the frame. But be sure to have filled your frame base with water first. To use your wall mount hook, remove the red covering on the back and place it on the frame base. Then you can hang whatever you please on the frame.